In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to correctly record loan payments in QuickBooks. Whether you're a small business owner or the person who manages the finances, knowing how to handle loan payments in QuickBooks will ensure your books are always accurate. So let's dive right in and make this process as simple and stress-free as possible. To get started, you'll want to log into your QuickBooks account. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. This is your central hub, from where you'll access various features and tools. Now, to begin recording the transaction, take a look at the top navigation menu. Here, you'll see an option labeled Plus New. This is your go-to spot whenever you're looking to input new data into your QuickBooks system. By clicking on Plus New, a drop-down menu will appear, offering multiple options. For our purposes today, you're going to select Check. This option is specifically designed to help you record the payment method used. Now, once you are on the check entry screen, you'll need to fill in some crucial details. Let's start by entering the name of the payee. This would typically be the organization or individual from whom you've secured the loan. Entering the correct payee is vital for maintaining an organized financial record. Next, you'll need to select the correct bank account from which these funds will be withdrawn. Also, if applicable, enter the check number. Doing so not only keeps your records orderly, but also ensures that you deduct the funds from the appropriate account, fostering accuracy in your bookkeeping. Moving along, direct your attention to the category drop-down menu. This step is of utmost importance because it dictates how QuickBooks categorizes this particular transaction. For loan payments, you'll want to select the liability account that's associated with your loan. This action ensures that the payment is deducted from the correct liability balance, thereby keeping your financial report spotless and precise. With this done, it's time to input the payment amount. The figure you enter should be the total amount you're paying toward the loan today. This includes both the principal and any interest that may be applicable. Be sure to double-check this number because any inaccuracies here could significantly skew your financial records. Once you've reviewed all the details and confirmed that everything is entered correctly, all that's left to do is save your progress. Click on Save and Close. This ensures that your payment is recorded and appropriately reflected in your account ledger. And there you have it. Recording loan payments in QuickBooks doesn't have to be complicated. Just follow these steps, and soon you'll be navigating QuickBooks with ease and confidence. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide helps simplify your financial recording process.